Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix speaker issue solved in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now here scroll down, click on sound and effects. Now here scroll down, click on headphone safety. Now here you will see turn off the loud audio. Go back, scroll up. Now here click on accessibility. Now here scroll down, click on audio and visual. Turn off the add voice option. Turn on the mono audios. Go back. Again click on sound and visual. Click on background sound. Now here turn on the background sound. Turn off. Turn on the stop sound when locked. Go back. You will check your speaker issue is solved. If it not solved, so check your phone is not turn on silent mode. So turn off the silent mode. So that's how you can fix speaker issue solved in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.